In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed custom HTML code into your Wix website effortlessly. Whether you're looking to integrate new features or add something extra special, this short guide will help you through it step by step. Let's dive in by first opening your Wix editor. This is your creative playground, where you piece together the design and structure of your website. Once you're there, the first thing to do is look over to the left side of your screen, where you'll see an option labeled Add Elements. It's the magic box of tools that allows you to insert and modify almost anything on your site. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you've opened the Add Elements tab, you'll notice a list of different features and functions you can incorporate into your website. What we're interested in today is the capability to embed custom code. So scroll through or search for the option titled Embed Code and give it a click. This option allows you to bring external elements into your site, which is incredibly useful for a variety of features, from custom widgets to third-party integrations. After selecting Embed Code, you'll see a more specific option for Embed HTML. This tool lets you input raw HTML, which can be used for scripts, special functions, or other snippets of code you might have discovered or customized to fit your website's needs. Click on Embed HTML to proceed to the next step. Now, a blank field will appear where you can write or paste your code. This is where the magic happens. Take a moment to ensure the code you've got is ready to go. If you're integrating something new, it's always best to double-check for any syntax errors, or unsupported code that might conflict with your current design. Once you're confident that your code snippet is good to go, paste it right there into the field. Click the Apply button once you've added your code. This action tells Wix that you're ready to include this code into your site's design, and it will automatically process and display it wherever you place the HTML element on your page. You should see your update reflected instantly in the editor view, giving you a live preview of how it will appear to visitors. Lastly, ensure everything is looking good by clicking the Update or Publish button, depending on your settings. This step saves your changes and commits them to your live site, making it available for all visitors to see. And there you have it. Embedding custom HTML on your Wix site is as simple and straightforward as that. This small step opens a world of customization, allowing you to truly make your website your own. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!